Vixens, welcome back to my channel. If you're new or this is your first time here, I'm Valerie, and this is little Violet. She's my little co-hostess, Aren't you, baby girl? She likes the unboxings. So, how are you guys today? I hope everyone's doing well. And today we're doing Boxycharm. Yay, it came. I love my Boxycharm. I think it's a very good value. I get the base box for $25 a month, and I'm always guaranteed that I'll receive $125 in products inside. And I do. A lot of times it's well over that. So, yeah, I'm really, really happy with my Boxycharm. I get it every month, and I love it. You can get the base box. You can get a premium, which is $35 a month, and I think you're guaranteed $175 worth of products in that box every month. And then you can also get Boxycharm as well. And then that's a whole other deal. So if you guys are more interested in that kind of stuff, you can ask me questions below and I can answer them for you. I do have a code down that I'm going to put down below if you guys are interested in trying Boxycharm out for yourself. Then you can use my code, and I do earn some charms from that, but it's not like an affiliate. I don't earn money or anything. I just earn some charms that I can use those in the charm room toward products, okay? So, without further ado, let's get into my Boxycharm for March 2021. You also get to, on my base box, I get to choose one item a month of what I want. They give you like 3 or 4 different items you can choose from, and I can go in, and it's called Choice. And Choice this month is on March 15th, which is Monday, and it starts always around noon. And you can go into your Boxycharm account, and then you can choose what item you want for your next month's box. So this Monday, I will be choosing what I want in my April box. So I'm excited. And then I think Boxycharm Premium, they just changed it. You can choose 2 of your products. My products, I get 5 full-size products, and I think Boxycharm Premium, I believe, is at least 6 items. Okay, I'm not sure exactly how much more, but I'm really happy with my base box. And you're always guaranteed you can get either one or you can get both, but you're always guaranteed different items in the premium box than what you would get in the base box. So if you get both boxes, you're not going to get overlapping products. Okay, so that's kind of important. So Boxycharm, here's what it looks like when you open your box. And Boxycharm, the theme this month is lucky. And then you always get this card, and it always have a theme for the month. And then on the back, it'll tell you all the items that you get, and it'll give you the retail price on them, and it gives you a little bit of information about them. Okay, guys, so the first thing I got was this wet brush cleaning system. And this is by Lavish. Okay, so I don't have anything like this. And it's got like the little soap. You take that out, and then it's got this little rubber thing. So I read the instructions. You wet your brush, and then you work a lather up in this, and then you take it on this one, and you probably rinse it, and then it's clean. So it smells really good. It smells like it's coconut, but it smells like coconut vanilla. You want to smell that? Oh, doesn't it smell good? Yeah, that smells good. She loves the smell. So, okay, let's talk about this product, guys. Lavish wet brush cleaning system. It's a convenient brush cleaning system to quickly and easily remove makeup residue from cosmetic brushes. A textured silicone pad stores nicely inside the container. The manufacturer's suggested retail price is $15. Okay, so not a bad product. Not something I guess I would want more makeup, but I'm not mad at it. It's something I don't have, so yeah, I can use it. Not a problem. Okay, the next item I got was Cab Lip Oil. Okay, and I'm not going to open it up and show it to you guys because it's just, you're not going to see it. It's just lip oil. Okay, and it's blue raspberry. And the reason I'm not opening up is because I already have, here, I'm not level here. I already have, a lip oil that I'm using up already. So I don't want to open another one up and be wasteful. So I want to use up what I've got already. And I got that one in my Boxycharm too. So yeah, I like that. I get some good lip products because my lips always stay dry. Okay, so Cab Cosmetics Hydrating Lip Oil. Say goodbye to dry and thirsty and hello to juicy hydrated lips. Your lips will love this non-sticky instant burst of hydration that comes in 6 different tints. Swipe this formula on for comfortable, juicy lips all day long. And the manufacturer's retail price is $20. So I'm glad I got that. I'm happy with it. Happy, happy, happy. All right, guys. Okay, and the next product I got is this by Maven Beauty. It doesn't jump out of my hands. And it is Rose Water Setting Spray. And I've not tried this yet either. I'm not really one to use much setting spray, so I'm not sure whether I want to open it or not. So this is Maven Beauty. I guess I could at least take it out of the package to show you guys. Yeah, I normally don't. I use like some setting powder, a little bit of setting powder, and that's it. I don't really do much with setting sprays. Okay, here's what it looks like. So, Maven Beauty, Maven Rose Water Setting Spray. Set your intentions and your makeup with the aura lifting, antioxidant packed rose water setting spray mist all over your finished look to lock it down and prevent smudging for up to 16 hours. And the retail price is $22. So, I don't care whether my makeup lasts 16 hours or not. I'm lucky, if it lasts 8 to 10 hours, I'm happy. So, yeah, this I don't know if I'm going to use it or not. If I don't, I may put it in a giveaway. But it's not, I know some people love their setting sprays, but I'm not one much for setting spray. So, there we go. There's that. Okay, guys, now this next item is what I got to choose. I got to choose between, I'm trying to think what it was now. Some kind of moisturizer, I think, and something else. And this. That's so informative, I know. Sorry, guys. I can't remember. But I got the Damn Girl, Too Faced Damn Girl Mascara. I love the Too Faced Better Than Sex Mascara. And I seen the Too Faced Damn Girl Mascara, and I heard this is pretty good as well as the Too Faced Better Than Sex is. And I love that one, and it's $26. And I seen this, I'm like, I'm getting that. I got a lot of mascaras. And I'm not going to open it up or anything because I do have so much mascara already. I'm trying to work through. But yeah, I'm so happy because I just my empties a couple months back. I just finished up, and this is what she looks like. Ooh, isn't she pretty? Let me turn you guys down here a little bit. Maybe you can see her a little bit better. Yeah. That's what I'm saying. Okay, so. Too Faced Damn Girl Mascara. This creamy mousse formula was developed with a special blend of whipped melting waxes. I'm sorry, melting waxes that deliver on an immediate full load of extreme volume without a heavy feel. Innovative polymers keep lashes flexible while lifting, lengthening, and locking in 24 hours of smudge-proof, flake-resistant curl. And its retail price is $26. So I'm happy. I got it. I'm happy. I'm thrilled. Okay, so I love that. And then the eyeshadow palette that they were going to send out was Lime Crime Venus 3. And I was really, really hoping for that. I really wanted it. Really, really wanted it. It was either that or you were going to get some other kind of like skincare thing. And I was like, oh, please, please, please let me have the Lime Crime. Let me get it. Let me get it. Let me get it. I got it. Yeah, buddy, I got it. Woo! I was so happy. So I never tried Lime Crime brand before. Yes, I was happy. Yes, I was. And so I was really happy that I got this. And so yeah, Lime Crime. Like I said, I never tried the brand before. I heard some good things about it, and I heard there was a lot of drama with some stuff and everything. But the owner now, I watched a little documentary on YouTube about this. They have got a different CEO now instead of the person who started this company. So they are like rebuilding some stuff. I don't know. Anyway, so I felt comfortable by purchasing this now. I know some people weren't purchasing from them for a while, but this is Lime Crime Venus 3. And here she is. Isn't she pretty? Oh, she's so pretty. I loved her. I seen her and I want that. And I did my look with Venus 3 today. Okay, guys, let me pull you in. Oh, so you can see. And she was so easy to use. I did just a simple look today. To be honest, guys, I went in and I used, I don't even know the names. Rapture, is that it? Yeah, I used Rapture in my crease up in here. And then I went in with Dreamy, this one. And I went a little bit lower in my crease with that. And then I was going to try some other ones. I tried to look last night and I used some different ones. And I really liked it. And then I thought, you know what? Let's just do Dreamy all over the lid. So I did Dreamy all over my lid as well. And then when I got that done, I used that last night. It was really pretty, but I wanted to try this one today. So I put that on the lid then to get this look today. I used this underneath. As you see, I brought it out a little bit. And I lined my upper lids with this. And then I filled a little bit in on the end, the real end of the corners of my eyes with this color. So I think I got a really pretty pink look. I'm going to zoom you guys back out now. I think I got a really pretty pink look with it. And I like that. I wanted something simple and easy like that I could just get a nice look. Oh, and you can use these on this one and this one as the blushes on your, and I'm sure you could maybe use one of these as a highlight. But I used this one as my blush today. And I didn't use a highlight. So I thought it turned out really, really pretty. And it was just so simple and easy. And that's what I like. I mean, I didn't have to spend time blending. I didn't have to spend time thinking, okay, what am I going to put together or anything like that. It was really simple and easy. I loved it. And I really think I'm going to get some different looks. Last night I got a different look. I used this in my crease. I used this in my upper crease. And I used this deeper in my crease in my outer corner. And then I used this on my lid. And then I used this in my outer corner. And I brought it up into here a little bit. And underneath my eyes. And I used a little bit of that to make it a little bit more dramatic and to line my lids with this. I think I lined my lids with that last night. But I got a totally different look. I was a little bit more purple. It was pink, but a little bit more lilac purpley color. And then there is also, you know, some neutral shades here that I think I can really get a nice neutral look out of too. So I think this is going to be something like, I could even put those two together. I think it's something that I could really, really play around with and get several looks with it. So that's what I look for. Okay, so Lime Crime Venus 3 eyeshadow palette. This palette is filled with rapturous lilac, rose gold, mauve, and earthy brown shades. The ultra buttery formula sweeps on richly pigmented color that doesn't fade or fall out. The dreamy lavender and rose gold box is graced with Venus herself. And this retails for $38. So, this paid for my box right there. So, I got the Venus, I got the rose water setting spray, I got the Cab lip oil and blue raspberry, I got the cleaning system, and I got the Damn Girl mascara, all for $25. So, I think you can't beat that. It's a really, really good price, and Boxycharm is great. Now, they also have add-ons. We're going to have add-ons on Monday. So they have discounted prices on other products that I may not have received in my box or that may be in the premium box, so that I have an opportunity to purchase those at a discounted rate. And that's really great as well. And then every quarter, every 3 months, they have a Boxy pop-up sale. And then those things are like even cheaper. So I've gotten some really, really good deals, like good eyeshadow palettes like Natasha Denona for $12. I've gotten Viseart eyeshadow palettes that were like $80 value for like $9. So I mean, I've really gotten some great products through that as well. So that alone is kind of worth the $25 a month. But I love it. I have fun with it. Okay, guys, that's it for Boxycharm. So, did anybody get your Ulta Beauty book here for their sales? They are having a sale, 21 Days of Beauty. It starts March 14th through April 3rd. And they sent me this. I'm signed up for the rewards thing, and anybody can do that. You can do that as well. And it gives you, like what's going on week 1, week 2, each day, and that kind of stuff. They do have some eyeshadow palettes that are not in here that are online. You can also go online and check out what's on sale. There is some eyeshadow palettes that I'm kind of interested in. Also, the Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara is going to be on sale for half off. I think it's like maybe $13 one particular day. So I'm interested in that. And then that same day, they have some other eyeshadow palettes I'm kind of interested in as well, 50% off. So check out your Ulta sale. It's going on starting tomorrow. That's tomorrow, right? Yep, starts tomorrow, March 14th. So check it out, guys. And yeah, if you, like I said, if you want to try Boxycharm, I'll leave my code below. If you're new here and you like unboxings, you like fashion, you like makeup, you like makeup tutorials, and that kind of stuff, please click the subscribe button before you leave. You're more than welcome to become part of our family here on YouTube. We'd love to have you. And yeah, and if you're already done that, then make sure you like this, give me a thumbs up, like the video, and comment below. I'd love to hear from you guys, okay? So I'm going to put all my information down below. I'm also on TikTok. I'm also on, I'm going to say influencer, but it's Instagram. I'm also on Instagram. I have a P.O. box down below, so if you guys ever want to send me a card or just a little line or two, that's great. So yeah, I'd love to hear from you either way. So you guys take care. I love you guys so very much, and I'll see you next time. Okay, bye bye.